This video is going to walk you through some of the easiest ways to create positivity printables. I'm going to show you how to create different positivity products in a variety of methods. So we'll cover the types of positivity products that I recommend. These are best-selling niches that are definitely worth a look. We'll look at how to create a habit tracker using a Canva template. You will not believe how easy it is to modify Canva templates. How to create a gratitude journal using PowerPoint. I know that product creation can feel a little daunting, especially if you've never done it before, but you don't need to have a lot of experience. You don't need to be a technical guru wizard, and you definitely don't need to be a graphic designer. Literally anyone can create printable products to sell. So let's take a look at some of the tips and tricks I've got to help you get going. The first thing you need to decide is the type of product that you want to make. So I've got a few niches here that are super popular: habit trackers, gratitude journals, positivity or affirmation wall art, vision board printables. There's a lot more than that though. So definitely spend a bit of time, do some market research, see what you can see on Etsy, see what you can see on other marketplaces, check out Pinterest. When you've picked the thing that you want to make, you're ready to think about how you're going to make it. So the first option that I'm going to show you is Canva. It doesn't matter what positivity product you've picked, the steps are going to be pretty similar. So let's take a look at how I can use a Canva template to make a habit tracker. So here I am logged into my Canva account. I'm going to go ahead and use the search bar, the templates here, and I'm going to just type in what I want to make. In this case, a habit tracker. But keep in mind, you could type in anything. You could type in a journal, or you could type in some sort of graphic, whatever you want. Most likely, Canva has templates for it. So you'll see here, Canva has an amazing almost 8,000 templates that fit the habit tracker term. And in Canva, as you may know, there is always a mix of their pro options and then the free options. So if you've got the free account, you are limited to the free options. If you've got the pro account, anything with that little crown would work. So I'm going to go ahead and just select one of these. Maybe this one looks nice. I can click on it and learn a little bit more about it. And then if I say, yep, this is the one I want to customize, I just click customize the template right there. Now keep in mind, someone else did make this template, so you don't want to take it as is and try to sell it. You do need to significantly customize it before you're going to try and sell it in your shop. So that doesn't mean like, oh, I'm just going to put a background on and sell it. I need to do a little bit more than that so that it really becomes mine and it's not like I'm taking someone else's work. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to add some sort of a background here. So I can pop over to the elements if I wanted to do some sort of an image background, or Canva also has a background section. They've got patterns, which could be good. They've got gradients, textures. Any of those could be a good choice here. I think I'm going to do a gradient, maybe this kind of blue one. Then I'm going to change the font. So I selected habit tracker at the top there, and maybe I want something that is a little more like handwriting. So I can search handwriting right there, and it will give me fonts that look like handwriting. So let's try maybe that one. Okay, I like that one. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And then you'll see it became 2 lines. If I don't want that to happen, I need to ungroup these. You'll see this kind of white dashed line there tells me that those are grouped. So I'll go ahead and click ungroup, and then I can select this individually, and I can make it a bit larger so that it is no longer 2 lines. I'm going to select all these guys again, and I'm going to say group just because I want to be able to move them around as a group, not individual pieces. Okay, so the next thing that I might do is I might go ahead and maybe I don't want the date, maybe I don't want the week. I'll move this up a little bit more. Maybe I want to add a little bit of clip art. So I can go to the elements section All right, so you can see here, I have adjusted kind of the fonts, added a background. I've got some additional clip art. So when I have this habit tracker customized the way that I want, I just go ahead and click the share button, and then I want to download it. And you have lots of choices. PDF print is best if you're planning on selling sort of a printable product, but we've also got JPEGs, pings, etc. So you have plenty of choices there in how you can download your product. The next thing we're going to take a look at is creating a gratitude journal in PowerPoint. Again, it doesn't matter if you're planning on creating a gratitude journal or if you're going to be doing something else. The point is that PowerPoint is a tool that you can use to create these products. Okay, so here I am with a new presentation. So the first thing that I'm going to need to do is click on the Design tab, and then I need to adjust the slide size. Because we want people to be able to print this, it is supposed to be a journal product, I need to make sure that I have a printer paper size here. So I want 8.5 inches by 11 inches. And then I just click OK. I don't have anything on my slide right now, so it doesn't matter which one I select. And then here I've got a standard US piece of printer paper size. So I can add anything that I'd like on here. My images, my text, lines, whatever you want. It can just be added right in. Once you have your journal ready to go, you can just go ahead and go to File, Save As, and then you'll want to save it as a PDF. Hopefully those two tools really gave you some ideas about how easy it can be to create printable products. Whether you decide to use Canva or PowerPoint, you can create these products without any technical expertise or graphic design experience. If you want to learn more about how to create positivity printables and additional niches that I recommend, you should check out Positivity Printables Made Easy. It comes complete with a ton of over-the-shoulder video training, helpful mini guide, and a bucket load of templates so that you can start creating an endless stream of printables. All you need to do is customize, publish, and sell these products to customers that want to buy them over and over again. It's perfect for people who want to create positivity printable products that sell, anyone who wants to create income streams with little to no writing, and people that are looking to branch out into different printable products. Check out Positivity Printables Made Easy on my website, Succeed